New at 5, this Monday is the first day to file your federal tax return, and most Americans will be getting a refund. Money editor John Delano has some tips on how to get that refund back quickly.
Last year, over 167 million tax returns were filed in the United States, and most of those taxpayers, 122 million, got a refund. How soon you get that refund, say the experts, depends on how you file that original return. Everyone loves to get that refund from the Internal Revenue Service. Here's the first tip to get that refund as quickly as possible.
Do what you can absolutely to e-file and choose direct deposit. Paper is not necessarily the IRS's friend. It hasn't been during the pandemic.
In fact, says IRS spokesperson Rafael Tolino, some who filed by paper last year are still waiting for their return to be processed. So if you file electronically and direct deposit to your bank account, how long is the wait?
The normal timing, we're still trying to stick by this, 21 days or less for most, assuming a paperless tax return. Now, that's not to say if there's an error, it might slow it down.
Here's tip number 2. Because of tax law changes, recognize this return is a little more complicated for some people.
But certainly there's a little bit more to navigate this year, no question about it.
President Biden's American Rescue Plan pumped a $1,400 stimulus check into most hands, and the advanced child tax credit last year requires many parents of dependent children to file additional information to get the remaining credit.
Be sure to file an accurate return the first time. Millions and millions of people will be reconciling the third economic impact payment on their tax return, aka stimulus, on the recovery rebate credit line, and also advanced child tax credits.
The IRS says whether you e-file in late January or early April does not affect their 3-week goal of getting a refund back to you. But tip 3, don't file before you're ready.
The IRS would like people, taxpayers, you, me, everybody else, to file when you're ready. When you have all your paperwork and you're confident that all that information on your return is going to be accurate and honest the first time.
Here's some more advice. Double check the numbers you type in and do the math. Little mistakes will delay your refund.